Hemorrhoids, constipation, vaginal infections, not being able to wipe. I don't mean to scare you, but these are just a few of the things that pregnant mamas have to go through during pregnancy. And as exciting as it is to know that 9 months later, you're gonna have a little baby and it would have all been worth it, there's no getting around that pregnancy is hard and full of new challenges. Luckily, TUSHY Bidet comes to the rescue and it helps pregnant mamas go through the 9 months with a little more ease, comfort, and of course, a shiny hiney. Hi everyone, it's Carrie, your tushy enthusiast and your better booty advocate. Today's video is all about pregnant mamas and how using a bidet can make your life a whole lot better. Get it? A-hole. Anyways, make sure to subscribe to our channel because we post weekly videos on gut, butt, and poop health and all things tushy. What is a bidet? This is the TUSHY Bidet attachment that washes your bum and your nether regions with a fresh stream of water after every single time you poop or when you just want to freshen up. Washing your butthole with water after pooping is simply better for your health and hygiene than wiping with dry, harsh toilet paper. TP honestly just does a pretty shitty job at actually cleaning. If you got poop on your arm, you wouldn't just wipe it with dry paper, you would wash it. And washing with the bidet is just gentler for your body. Not to mention when you switch to a bidet, you also end up saving a lot of money on what you would have spent on toilet paper. And washing with a bidet saves you money on toilet paper and it helps save the planet too because you're not creating all that paper waste. And guess what? It turns out that the bidet is also amazing for the health and hygiene of pregnant mothers during pregnancy. So now let's take a look at a few of the common challenges during pregnancy and how bidets can help soothe them. Number 1, cleaning and wiping challenges. The shitty reality of pregnancy is that it affects your body's elasticity and range of motion, making it hard for many women to wipe their behinds, especially during the 3rd trimester of pregnancy. It can feel uncomfortable or awkward to try to find the right angle to get all the poopy bits off. And the thing is, if you are wiping and you don't get all the poopy bits off, this can increase your risk of infection down there. Luckily, with the bidet, you don't have to reach around or bend awkwardly just to try to wipe. You just sit yourself on the toilet, adjust your angle, and let the bidet do all the dirty work for you. It washes everything away and makes sure that your hiney is shiny and clean. Number 2, constipation and hemorrhoids. Constipation is very common and one of the main reasons that pregnant and postpartum women develop hemorrhoids. According to the Office of Women's Health, up to 50% of pregnant women develop hemorrhoids. And if you don't know already, hemorrhoids are swollen varicose veins in the rectum, and sometimes they can even protrude out of the butthole. Ouch, it really does hurt. During pregnancy, constipation can aggravate and cause hemorrhoids due to extra straining. This can put pressure on the veins in your rectal area and then cause them to swell and bulge, thus hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids can also form due to your enlarging uterus at around week 25. Also, just the increased blood flow in your pelvic area can cause your veins in the rectal area to swell, bulge, and to itch. Oh, the joys of pregnancy. The TUSHY Bidet can help you relieve the discomfort and the itchiness and ensure that you are healthy and clean. And also, did you know that hemorrhoids can be further aggravated from the friction of using toilet paper? So washing with water, especially warm water, can help you soothe those hemorrhoids. After you wash, instead of using dry toilet paper, try patting dry with bum towels, which are better for your sensitive behind. Like the TUSHY bamboo bum towels. Just a few pats with the bum towels and you'll be dry and you won't have any irritation or little bits of toilet paper left behind. Number 3, increase vaginal discharge. The vagina is working its butt off to make liquid to keep your cervix moist, sealed, and healthy. This is completely normal and actually very healthy to experience more vaginal discharge during pregnancy. But it can leave some women feeling uncomfortable and just not very clean. And the bidet is just one easy way to keep you clean, comfortable, and feeling extra hygienic. If your discharge is a weird color, smells bad, or makes your vagina itchy or irritated, you could have an infection. Which brings me to number 4, vaginal infections. While vaginal discharge is very common, the excessive fluid combined with other activities such as working out or having sex can sometimes trigger increased vaginal infections. And one of the most common infections women experience during pregnancy is bacterial vaginosis, or BV. BV is a common infection that is easily treated, but it can cause problems for your baby during pregnancy. And some studies even link BV to preterm labor or low birth weight, so cleaning down under with water and not soap is recommended. While the bidet alone can't get rid of the infection, it can provide really great and soothing relief from the symptoms such as the odor and the itchiness during the treatment of your infection. Pregnancy can be a tough mother, and that's why we believe that expecting mothers deserve the best. So for all of you pregnant mamas out there, we actually recommend the TUSHY Spa. This is the version of the bidet attachment that allows you to wash with cool and warm water. For women who are experiencing swelling, stitches, or just overall soreness, this warmer water will feel extra soothing and be much more gentle on your sensitive bits. And what's even better is that the TUSHY bidet isn't even just for pregnancy. You can continue to use your TUSHY bidet long after your postpartum symptoms are gone. And the TUSHY bidet is just great for overall hygiene, booty health, vaginal health, and just living a more sustainable and less wasteful life. So you can get your very own TUSHY at hellotushy.com/vlog, or you can click on the links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. Every single week we post videos on gut, butt, poop health, bathroom sustainability, and all things tushy. Oh, and also don't forget to hit that bell so that you get notified every single time we post a new video. And we also want to invite you to our community hosted on a Facebook group. It's called the Tushy Movement. Gut feelings, bidet life, and butt stuff. This is a community of people gathered from all around the world to discuss and share their experiences, questions, and advice on gut health, butt health, poop health, bathroom sustainability, and of course, all things booty. And we have tons of poop jokes in there. It's a really great and happy and fun place to be. So I hope to see you there. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time, and happy pooping.